remember everyone, it starts with a dream, and that was my dream, even though it's got a Ferrari logo on there, and I don't own a Ferrari, I own a Lamborghini, but that's kind of besides the point, okay? Everyone pulls me up on that one. Why is it a Ferrari badge when you got a Lambo? Don't ask. I still have a dream, and maybe one day I will own one. But anyway, back to this setup here. So in today's video, you see me take this exact setup, and I was just doing the video editing, and I think it just went to a 1 to 3. Let me have a look. It's 7.5 pip stop loss. So 7.5 pips, 7.14.21. Close. We got close, which is annoying, but you see me do a 1 to 2 in this video. So yeah, enjoy it. Today's video is sponsored by Go Markets. Go Markets is a multi-award-winning broker who's regulated by the Financial Service Commission. Myself and the BD members have been using Go Markets for over 7 years now. They go above and beyond to support the BD community and their traders. They offer award-winning customer support, thousands of tradable products, and some of the lowest spreads in the industry. This is perfect if your style of trading is scalping like mine. If you're interested in signing up to Go Markets, please use the link in the description below. Thank you and enjoy today's video. Okay, so before we jump on the charts and you see me take a trade, I want to go over some of the results so far with the Mogwai reversal strategy. Now this is like live, this is right now, okay? You see the USD JPY trade that I take, this is what you're just about to watch me trade. TP hit on USD JPY. TP hit, you know now that I won the trade. So yeah, the cliffhanger is over. Closed GP share 5 minutes on break evening. Feel uncomfortable about this one. Still think I'll stick to the majors. Still 9-0 so far on the 5 minute time frame. GJ 1 minute setup straight to TP. Damn, I was cooking breakfast. It's insane. In on this one, TP hit TP again. It's just been phenomenal. You should have taken partial, moved SL to break even. Gold moving now. That was quick. Yeah, I mean, literally I could scroll all day, every day with this, find you some more. This was a trade that I took earlier today. Yeah, it's just insane. Also in GP Chef, again on this one, I'll find you one more. In on Aussie NZD, I'll find you one more. I mean, literally, look, I mean, I could scroll up all day showing you these results. The Mogwai reversal strategy is just insane. It's just a simple strategy. Again, there you go there. Before SL moved to break even, I got a 1 to 1 out of that one. UJ finally hit a 2%, 1 to 2, so 2% profit. Yeah, insane. So now let's jump on the charts and you see me take a trade on USD JPY. So enjoy. Okay, so basically what you're watching here is a recording I did earlier on USD JPY. The reason why you're watching a recording is because the camera that you're watching me on, the battery went flat. So I kind of had to screen record it and then kind of do an explanation. So basically, Mogwai reversal strategy, simple, right? We're above the moving average, so we're looking for buys. We've got the Mogwai signal, which confirms an uptrend. We've now pulled back. The MACD's gone oversold. That is it, just waiting for the TCA line to turn. You can just see there, my TCA line had turned green. You see me taking a trade now on USD JPY. I'm doing this on the C-Trader platform. I go to look to see what my stop loss is. So 7.5 pip stop loss, 14 pip take profit, 1 to 2. Well, just under a 1 to 2. I think I set this at 8 pips. Yeah, so I set this at 8 pips. A take profit of 14 pips, just under a 1 to 2. The reason being is because I'm allowing some spread. There we go there. I take the trade. It was beautiful. We've just closed above the TCA line. My stop loss is just slightly below the moving average, which is great. I'm just, hold on here. Oh, look at that for a setup. So I was just on this screen here. I can see some I can see the BD members posting. That is Oh, I love this. Oh, that's phenomenal. I love that. That is, oh, mate, honestly, amazing. Sorry, I got carried away. On my right screen, which you can't see, I'm looking at the Telegram and I can see the BD members posting. So basically, you can see me take the trade. We're just closing above the moving average, which is great. I've gone for 1 to 2. That is it. Now, what I'm doing, and most of the BD members are doing, as soon as the trade goes to a 1 to 1, we lock in some profit. So as soon as the trade goes to a 1 to 1, we close off 50% of the profit. We move our stop loss to break even. The trade becomes risk free, and then we let the trade do what it wants to do. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. That is the best way to do it, because at that point in time there, you have locked in profits. You've moved the trade to risk free. So whatever happens, you're going to make money. You're either going to get stopped out. Well, it doesn't matter because you've moved your stop loss to break even. You've locked in profits already, so it doesn't matter. Or the trade will go off to a 1 to 3, 1 to 5. Winner, chicken dinner. It's like, whatever happens, right? You're guaranteed to make money, which I shouldn't really say that, but technically you do, because when you lock in the profits, you move your stop loss to break even. It's such a simple, phenomenal strategy this is. Basically above the moving average, Mogwai arrow, pull back, buy with the trend. That is it. Go for a 1 to 2. That is it. As soon as the trade goes into profit, locking those profits. And as you can see here, if we just roll it a little bit forward, okay, if we just go a little bit forward here, definitely, I'm just going to pause it here. First of all, I was about 4 pips away from getting stopped out. But again, this is why I say get your stop loss out of the way. What a lot of people are doing is putting their stop loss right below the candlestick. And again, that's fine if you want a tight stop loss. But the whole point of trading is to not lose trades. So how do you not lose trades? By not being stopped out. So get that stop loss out of the way, and at the same time, as soon as that trade goes into profit, lock in those profits. Move that stop loss to break even, so you're not going to lose that trade. And another little top tip as well, I want to show you here. If I just zoom out here, hold on here. Let me try and, here. Just there. So here, right, another top tip. Always try and take the first pullback in a trend. Always. Okay. What a lot of members are doing is taking every pullback in a trend. But trends are not going to last forever. Eventually, they'll get to a point where it will reverse. And if you're in a trade, you're stopped out. Okay. So what you really want to be doing is buying right at the top of an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay. You're getting in at the first pullback and then ride the wave. It is the best possible chance of winning a trade. The first pullback in a trending market. The second pullback, more riskier. The third pullback, more riskier. The fourth pullback, more riskier. Because eventually it will reverse and it will go into a different direction. So it's best to be patient and wait for the best set. Like, give you an example here, right? What's that BD member just said? CAD Chef. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. What's this? Let me find you that setup. Let me find you. I don't think I've even got CAD Chef. CAD Chef. Okay, watch this. Bang. Right, we'll add this up here. I will find it, which I think's down here. Is going to be... Okay, he took this on... Okay, he took it, see here? He took his a little bit too... I mean, look at the downtrend on that one. You see, what you really should be getting in, right? I mean, the only real trade that I would say is valid on this downtrend, this one here, you've had your Mogwai signal, you've had your pullback, but the MACD hasn't really gone overbought. So I wouldn't really count that one. This one here, so downtrend again, Mogwai signal. So we have to go back to our rules again. Below the moving average, Mogwai signal, pullback. Okay, so below the moving average, Mogwai signal, pullback. Again, here there's 2 possible entries. Yeah, here, I think you would have been stopped out just there. In fact, I don't think you would have been stopped out. Let me have a look here. So short position here. let's say take the trade. Yeah, so you would have got stopped out. So you would have lost 1% there. No arguing, 1%. Then you have this one here. So same again. See how the MACD's gone overbought here? Right, look at that one. That one, stop loss above the, so you entered here, stop loss above the high, 4 pip stop loss, 4 pip stop loss, right? Look at the difference here. Look at the difference, right? You see how much of a movement you are getting out of that trend just by taking the first pullback. Obviously, you know, valid, this was the second one, but I mean, give you an example here. Let's find a setup which was the first pullback. Where's my MACD gone? Where's my... here we go here. Let's try and find you the first pullback. Gold. Gold's been moving a lot recently. Let's find you one here. Let's find you one here. Okay, here's an... I mean, give you an example here, right? Look at this one. So look at this. The first pullback. So see how we go into an uptrend, right? We went from a downtrend. See that downtrend here? Because we're below the moving average. And then we go into an uptrend, right? Where's the first pullback where the MACD and Mogwai arrow has appeared? Here. Mogwai signal, MACD gone oversold. Look at this one here, right? If you put your stop loss below the low on this one, I mean, this one, and I tell you now, if you are patient and you wait for the perfect setups, you know, and you're sitting there and you're disciplined, you have your set of rules, right, we're above the moving average, I'm waiting for an arrow, pull back, the first pullback, it's got to look like a clean chart, it's not chopping around, you know, it's not like this here, moving in between the average, moving average, it's a clear uptrend. As you took this trade, it is clearly above the moving average, it's creating higher highs, it's creating higher lows, okay, bang. Entry point, meets the rules. We take the trade here. Stop loss below the low. So what's that? 150 pips. The trade went to around, there you go there, 300 pips. Done. No drawdown. Straight into profit. 1 to 2. Bang. Done. And I'm telling you now, if you went, like I said, that one was just an example here, right? But let's find another good example here, right? Of right at the top of an uptrend. I'm trying to find you here. No, because that one's kind of a B plus setup, and we want A plus. Let me try and find you one here. Here we go here. Right, here we go here. Is that the first pullback? Yeah, look at this one. First pullback, Mogwai signal, pullback. Again, straight into profit. Straight into profit. I was trying to find you one here. Here, this is it. Look at this one. Look at this one, right? So see how that is very similar to the gold setup. We're clearly above the moving average, right? It's a clean setup. It's the first pullback. We got the Mogwai signal. We got the pullback. Look at that one. Again, this one, what's that? Let's go with a 15 pip stop loss. What's that? 60, 70 pip, 68 pip take profits over 1 to 4. Do you know what I mean? That is all you need. If you're patient and you wait, let me see what the BD members are saying. Reversal strategy. Yeah, I'm not going to carry on. But yeah, going back to that setup because I'm being distracted now, aren't I? So yeah, as you can see here, I take the trade. The trade goes nicely. I close off a percentage of it, and look what happened with the trade afterwards. Hold on here. So as you can see here. You see me close off the trade. Hold on here. There we go there. So I closed the, hold on here. Let me close the trade off. There we go there. So there you go there. 1 to 2. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And that's what I say. If you wait for those A plus setups, you are going to be rewarded for it. You know, get that stop loss to break even. Lock in those profits. Only take the A plus setups. 1 to 2. Thank you very much. 2% made. And just to show you, right? Hold on here. I'll actually show you later. In fact, I'll actually show you. Look, I'll actually show you the setup here. Okay, this is the setup that you just watched. Hold on here. I've got to find it. I was just seeing if we had any more setups. What was it? USD-JPY. There you go there. Look at that. Look at that there. See? And technically, this could go higher. This could go for a 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Look, this trade, what was it, a 7.5 pip stop loss? The trade went to 16 pips, okay? And it's still, technically, if you're going for 1 to 3, 1 to 4, you'd still be in the trade. What you can do is, right, 1 to 1, move my stop loss up, 1 to 2, move my stop loss up, 1 to 3, move my stop loss up. Just constantly ride the trend all the way up, because this here is the first pullback in an uptrend, okay? And like I said, when you capture, you go here. Here we go here, right? Okay, here we go here. USD/JPY. So basically, we're now gone into an uptrend. Look, uptrend. Where's the first pullback? This one here. So maybe I wouldn't well, I wouldn't. Oh, that's not a valid setup because the MACD's not gone oversold. Okay. When's the MACD gone oversold? Just there. Okay. So same again. Mogwai signal. MACD's gone oversold. Right. It's technically the second pullback. You know, but it's one of them. I just want to show you kind of like how much pips you can get if you're patient. Right. Look at this one here. Stop loss. What should we go for? 5 pip stop loss. Okay, what did the trade go to? Okay, it went to just under 15 pips. Just maybe would have got 15 pips out of that one. So there you go there. Right, a 1 to 3 or just under a 1 to 3. You're arguing about half a point pip, but 1 to 3. There you go there. 3% made. Thank you very much. We wait for the next setup, which was this one here. Another 2% done, 5% in less than an hour on one currency pair. You're basically halfway there to passing a prop firm. So yeah, my name's Jamie Palmer. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com.